Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be another modding video, and it's going to be a few episodes long. It's going to be how to create a new mob. So first of all, what you're going to do is, before we get into any of the coding, you're going to need to have this program called Techne. Now you could just go on Google and Google it up and you should be able to get it. But I'll just give a quick tutorial of it, and then we'll get started making our mob. So once it opens, you see this big icon. That will just mean it's opening. So first things first here, it will look like this, most likely full screen. But what you want to do, model base is your own sort of model you're gonna make. Biped or bipped is a person, like your character in zombies. Cow is a cow, creeper, enderman. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. We're just gonna make a new person today, and we're gonna call it a ghost, like that, and then leave the textures the same, and then you could full screen it. And now, first things first, I'll just give a little tutorial. This right here, this to move around, you actually use right click and then drag around. This means the front, and then on top, right, left, then down. So yeah, that's how you move. And then these are the dimensions, like you can make it bigger, smaller, wider. And then I'll get into more of that soon. But first, it's pretty easy tutorial. We have our guy here, but we need a texture. So I have a texture, but before I load it, I'll just show you. If you make your own, then you'll see if you click one of these, it will show up here. That's the texture. You can move it around like that, and then basically you just if you want to make your own texture, you just go to export as texture map and then just edit it. But we're just gonna load one, so let me get my texture here. I think it's in my recycle bin. Ghost. Yes, here it is. And we're just gonna put it onto there. So file, actually, you go to load texture, and then you go to wherever you have it. I just put mine on my desktop. So ghost, and then it will show up here. So it kind of looks like it's floating and dead. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, you have that. Now this is gonna be your model file, which is gonna be about the body. So we don't. Actually, I'll get more into that later. You'll see. You want to go to export as under file and then Java, so it's a Java file. Now, before we do that, I'll just explain some of this. Texture map is a texture. You'll just export the texture. Turbo model thingy. I think that's something else, and then I don't know what AdventureCraft is. So just go to Java, and then we're gonna call it model ghost. And then you don't have to type .java since it's already a Java file. And then I just saved it onto my desktop. So first, what I'm gonna do, this is gonna be part of my mod. It's called Infinite Mobs Plus, and these are all the ones I have so far: black, ninja, blue, fire, ghost, orc, penguin, and white ninja. If you're a subscriber, you'll actually get to test the mod out before anyone else gets to. So I'm just gonna create a new file. You don't have to do this. I'm just going to call it ghost and then evil, because it's going to be evil. Oh, I put host. Wow. Fail. So, ghost. And then, well, I'm bad at spelling today. Ghost. There you go. Yes. Okay. Let me just delete this. And this. I don't know what that is. And then we're just gonna drag our stuff in here. This is just a backup in case any of it gets lost. So now what you're gonna want to do, open your MCP folder and go into source. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually plug my mouse in so the clicking's not that loud, because I'm using a laptop. So anyways, you want to go into source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft, and then source. And then you want to open back up your file here. One sec. Because we just put it in here. and you just want to drag your model file into there. I'm just going to copy it and put it back into here again, but it'll still be in there. And then next, what you want to do is go to jars, bin, Minecraft, and then go into mob. X that out. Mob, and then just drag your image in there, and then it should be in there right here. Yep. Then you could X that out and just minimize this for now if you want. I'm just gonna X that out. Now, what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna create the mod folder. But next we're gonna do the render file next episode. But what you wanna do is go to first let's open our model file and I'll show you what it is. So you wanna go to where you find your model, because this is you just put your model file into the MCP, so it will show up on here. That's what we just did. Then here it is, and then you'll get something that looks like this. Usually you won't have to screw with any of this. You just leave it alone, unless you want to do the arm rotations and stuff, which I'll do in another video. This is just setting all the. This is just like setting the body, so you don't need to screw with that. But just go to File, File, New, File, and then mod underscore ghost.java. Then hit finish, and then now you just want to do the basic line of text, package net, and then .minecraft source. It will just come up on here for me, and then semicolon to end the line, and then import java util.random, and then actually it's .map, util.map, and I forgot the dot right there. See, usually spelling mistakes and errors are really big in this. It will cause your whole thing not to work. But next, public class mod underscore ghost extends base mod, and then go with that, and then that error will just be there for a little bit. You could just ignore it for now. You want to type in public void load and two parentheses, and then enter, and then two more of the brackets. Now mod loader dot register entity ID, and then parentheses. Then you can just delete this stuff in the parentheses that just is put there, and then entity ghost dot class, and then comma, quotation marks, ghost. Now what this is, it's just getting the ID for the entity, and we're going to have an error here since we didn't even create the entity class yet. So you could just leave it like that. And then after this, you want to put comma. I'm just going to enter it so you have more room. Mod loader dot get unique entity. Actually, get unique entity ID. Entity ID lowercase d. Did I spell that right? Unique. Yeah, and more parentheses, and then after this, you could just do a semicolon. See, we have an error because we never created the entity ghost class. That's okay. That's not going to be there for long. Mod loader dot add spawn, and then parentheses entity ghost dot class, and then comma 5 comma space 1 3, and then enum creature type, and then dot. And now you could either have a creature, which is like cows and stuff, they won't attack you, monster, which only come out at night and they will attack you, or a water creature, which is like pretty self-explanatory. Water. We're gonna make it a creature just for testing reasons, but it will be a monster eventually. But just to test to see if it works, we'll make it a creature so we don't have to wait till nighttime. And then you wanna put your semicolon. And then after the brackets here, you wanna hit enter twice. Public string get version, and then parentheses. And now after the parentheses, enter, and then return quotation marks 1.2.5. This is our version of Minecraft. And then that. So that's our mod file. Let me check my time here, and I think that will cover it for today. Next we're gonna make our render file, and then we'll go on to our entity file, because entity file is the biggest. So I hope you guys liked the video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.